Samurai will give up some height and reach. Both of them hugely experienced, similar records, 27 victories for Muradov, 23 for Enomoto. But look at the tip sport odds, 1-5 against the Swiss Samurai. Let's get this one underway.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for the next bout. Middle bout, 3 final rounds, and the referee in charge is Václav Přibyl. Let me introduce you both fighters, and we will start in the blue corner. He's 41 years old, stands 182 centimeters tall, weight in 84 kilo. Represents Enomoto Dojo. Coaches in his corner are Stefani Bortolozzi, Kenji Bortoluzzi, and Tiziano Visconti. He has a professional record of 38 fights, 23 wins, 9 finishes, 15 losses. Fighting out of Switzerland, Yasube, the Swiss Samurai Enomoto. Across the cage in the red corner, 35 years old, 190 centimeters tall, weight in 84.3. MMA Ankos and MMA Monster. Coaches in his corner are Petr Monster Kníže and Marek Jinsky. He has a professional record of 36 fights, 27 wins, 20 finishes, 1 no contest and 8 losses. Representing Neruda Cup team Tip Sport and fighting out of Uzbekistan, Mahmoud Muradov.
Demak, jangchilar e'lon qilinishdi. Hozir referi ularga qonun qoidalarini birin-ketin tushuntirib qo'ydi. Endi qisqacha qilib qonun qoidani bu yerda to'liq tushuntirishning iloji yo'q. Jangchilar albatta qonun qoidalarini yaxshi bilishadi. Ikkala jangchi ham 30 tadan ko'proq jang o'tkazgan professional karyerasida. Demak, birinchi raund boshlandi. Hurmat bilan boshlanyapti raund. Low kick bilan demak ilk zarbani ochib berdi Mahmud Murodov. Demak, mana shu jang oldidan Abduqodir Abdulvoris hozir biroz Abduqodir Abduvorisov, agar adashmagan bo'lsam, MMA jangchimizning nomi esimdan chiqib qoldi hozir. Abduqodir Abduvorisov bilan demak muloqot qilganimda aynan Enomoto bilan Tiger Muay Thai mashg'ulot zalida sparring o'tkazganman dedi. Unchalik ham katta baho bermadi Enomotoga. Kurashi deyarli yo'q dedi. Bu oqshomda o'zi aslida Mahmud Murodov bilan Luterbeck jang qilish kerak edi, braziliyalik jangchi, lekin jarohat sabab, kasallik sabab overhand zarbasini yaxshigina ilib oldi Samurai. Endi o'zi tana qismiga, bosh qismiga uranyapti. Hozir menimcha ko'zga qo'lini tiqib oldi. Davom etadi jang. Referi o'zlaring kelishib olasizlar dedi, menimcha. Aralashib o'tirmadi. O'ng qo'l zarbasi aniq o'tyapti Mahmud Murodovdan. Hozircha Mahmud Murodov yaxshi ko'rinyapti. Nokaut ko'rishimiz ham mumkin. Ko'rdingiz, og'ir zarbani o'tkazdi. O'zi overhand va flying zarbalari bu kalit zarbalar Mahmud Murodov uchun. Ikkinchi raqamli bo'lib ishlamoqda hamyurtimiz. Birinchi raqamli jangchi bo'lib Enomoto oktagonni egallab olgan. Mahmud Murodov himoyadan harakat qilmoqda. Tana qismiga zarba, bosh qismiga bo'lgan hujum aniq chiqmadi. O'ng qo'l zarbasi Murodovdan. Hozircha og'ir zarbalarni ko'rmay qo'ydik. Birozga to'xtab qolishdi, temp biroz pasayyapti. Oldinga boryapti. Mana bu yerda parterga harakat. Bittada olib o'tdi Mahmud Murodov. Ortiqcha harakat ham qilib o'tirmadi. Hozircha nazoratni amalga oshirishga harakat qilmoqda. O'zi Murodov UFC'dan ketgandan so'ng bizga ko'pincha kurashini ko'rsatyapti. Octagon MMA'dagi birinchi jangida ham uni kurashini ko'rgandik. Kurash tushib raqibni mag'lub qilgandi, 3 raund qiynab. Bu safar ham mana shunday ssenariyni ko'rish ehtimolimiz yo'q emas.
But there was still a lot of danger and a lot of pressure from Yusubi, so putting an MMO on his back with a minute and 30 seconds remaining in this first round, very intelligent, high fight IQ.
Bosh qismiga zarba Mahmuddan.
Next to his name that he has.
You see in the corner there, another legend of Czech MMA, Petr Monster Kanije. Those two have been together throughout the career of
Nazoratni amallab turibdi. Hozircha zarbalar yo'q, lekin nazorat bor.
Foot on the hip here from Enomoto, going to maybe try and work his legs up, but Muradov just bullying him here up against the fence.
Iloji bo'lsa zarbalar ham qo'shish kerak.
Taking
To'g'risini aytaman, birinchi jang o'zi UFC'dan ketgandan so'ng birinchi jangga Mahmud Murodovni zerikarli o'tgan. Agar bu jang ham shunday o'tadigan bo'lsa, bilmadim, muxlislarni o'zi eski Mahmud Murodovni ko'rish umidlari biroz kamayib qolsa kerak. Endi albatta asosiysi g'alaba, lekin jangni odamlar miriqib ko'rish uchun tomosha qilishadi baribir.
trying to pass around to the right side.
Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu black belt, 6 submissions on his record.
Hozircha zarbalar minimal darajada tana qismiga yengil zarbalar yo'lladi Mahmud. Qo'yib yubormayapti Enomotoni.
Muradov is something that's so hard to deal with in this weight class.
O'ng qo'l zarbasi mana endi hujum boshlanyapti.
10 seconds now left in round number 1.
Bosh qismiga zarbalar beryapti. So'nggi 10 soniya endi risk qilsa ham bo'ladi. Bemalol turib zarbalar berishga harakat qilsa, lekin unday qilgani yo'q. Umuman turib ketib qo'ya qoldi. Ikkinchi raundda demak davom etadi jang. Hozircha tanaffus.
Makes him feel uncomfortable.
Muradov looking relaxed. Wanted to stay on this card again. There was talk, well, there is talk, obviously, of the potential fight between him and Kinsel in June at the Fortuna Arena. So when Yolton Lutabak came out, many people thought he'd want to come off the card, just take that fight, work towards that. But he was adamant he wanted to perform. He wanted to put this camp to the test here. And that says a lot about him as well, right? That's him as a competitor, where he is right now. He's not just looking for, you know, the marquee fights. He just wants to fight.
Here's that right hand he landed. The rocks, Yusubi. You don't see
Takroriy lavhalarni bizga namoyish etishmoqda.
going to the body well as well. I like seeing Muradov on the feet. I like seeing him striking. He's so explosive and athletic.
Great hands, great hands.
Ikkinchi raundga jangchilar taklif qilinishmoqda.
All the judges agree. First round goes to Mahmud Muradov.
Cage door closes. We are set and ready for round number 2. A potential
Yaxshigina charchashgani aniq,
weight battle.
chunki aktiv kurash kechdi.
Again,
Jang demak stoykada davom etadi.
Muradov in the red.
See if Muradov can peel that pressure off.
Chap qo'l zarbasi,
He's very good at controlling the center of the cage and pushing backwards.
o'ng qo'l zarbasi aniq tarzda chiqyapti.
But I feel like
Mahmuddan
the defense of
mana
MMO
stoykada harakat qilsa ham bo'ladi. Endi menimcha balki risk qilgisi kelmayotgan.
Elbow greeted Muradov as he stepped in as well. Oh, nice too.
And I feel like Muradov a little bit lazy on the defense. His offense.
Oldinga boryapti Enomoto, birinchi raundda bo'lgani kabi orqaga bir mana havodagi nokaut do'stlar. Shunchaki turib uxlab qoldi, ko'rdingizmi? Zarbani qabul qildi va o'sha joyda o'zi bo'lgandi. Shunchaki qolgani refleks bo'lib ketdi. Instinkt ishlab o'zi kurashga kirib ketib qoldi menimcha. O'zi ba'zi videolarda ko'rgan bo'lsangiz kerak, jangchilar nokaut bo'lib qolgandan keyin hakam bilan, referi bilan kurashib ketishadi. Hozir mana shu jangchi Enomoto aynan shunday holatga tushib qoldi. Shunchaki ajoyib nokaut, ajoyib g'alaba hamyurtimizni
Enomoto
karyerasidagi 28-g'alaba bilan tabriklaymiz. Shuningdek, o'zbek auditoriyasi, o'zbek muxlislarini ham. Demak, birozdan so'ng UFC 313 oqshomi ham boshlanadi. Hozir Mahmud Murodov oktagondan chiqib ketgandan so'ng bu efirga yakun yasayman. UFC 313 oqshomida barchangizni kutib qolaman. Boshidan oxirigacha o'zbek tilida sharhlab boraman. Qiziqarli janglar guvohi bo'lamiz. Bu esa Mahmud Murodovning sevgan yori.
You know, put on a great performance, and again, getting a finish like that, that's a highlight reel. He needs a title shot next. If it's into
He's got it. Listen, it's set.
Bizga endi rasmiy e'lon qilib qo'ysa bo'lgani. Takroriy lavhani ko'ramiz. 10 qo'l zarbasi bo'ldi, mana o'chib bo'lgandi. Ishtonni ham ko'tarib qo'ydi. Hech nima bo'lmagandek, bildirmagandek, o'tda bilib qolishmasin deb. Qisqasi ajoyib g'alaba ko'rdik.
Man to face next for Patrick Kinsella. That'd be a fantastic fight. None of that matters. Second round, 40 seconds in, gets the finish, gets the knockout against the Swiss Samurai.
Zarbalar statistikasini ko'ryapsiz. 27 ta aniq zarbaga 5 ta zarba bilan javob bergan xolos Enomoto.
What a performance from Muradov from start to finish. That first round showed stuff on the feet, the grappling on the ground, and then clinical execution with that strike. The right hand right behind the ear.
Demak, endi e'lon qilib qo'yishsa, shu bilan efirga yakun yasab, UFC 313 oqshomini kutamiz. UFC 313 oqshomida ikkita jang bekor bo'ldi, shu sababdan biroz kechiktirilishi mumkin. Jang oqshomi yana o'z to'g'ri 30 dan 5:00 ga ko'chirilgan edi, adashmasam. Endi 5:30 ga ko'chirilishi ham mumkin. 5:30 ga ko'chirilsa umuman olganda yomon bo'lmaydi men uchun. Og'zimni ham yopib olaman. Qulayroq bo'lardi. Demak, eshitamiz. Mahmud Murodov nokaut bilan g'alaba qozonyapti. Do'stlar, men demak efirga yakun yasayman. Sizlar bilan Shohrux Abubakirov bo'ldi.